Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If your first time visiting us, karibu sana. And if cooking good food sounds like your thing, then hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon, because in this channel I do just that. And guess what? I use the simplest ingredients you can ever imagine to make these tasty meals. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this vegetable noodles recipe. Let's get cooking. Ingredients today of making my Indomie: I have some carrots here chopped, I have the green bell peppers right here, I have the yellow bell peppers, I have the red bell peppers, I have some 1 teaspoon of garlic, I have the red onion chopped, I have some salt right here, I have some coriander leaves, I have some cumin powder, a half teaspoon, and I have the green peas. And the main ingredient here is the noodles. And also I have the spices that come with it, so I'm using this one and cumin as my spices today. So my water has already boiled, so now I'm going to break in my noodles in this water, just like that. Just for clarification, I'm using chicken flavored noodles. Then I'm just going to make sure that every strand of the noodles is submerged in the water. Yeah, that is okay. We are going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes since my noodles started to cook, and now I'm going to take this pot away. I'm going to strain away the water. So I forgot to say about the cooking oil and my tomatoes, but they are there, so I'll just add them to my ingredients list. So I'm going to add in my onions. So red onion, as always, comes first, so we're going to fry this until it is starting to brown. The next thing that we're going to add in our garlic. As always, garlic is added when the onion has started to brown, because it cooks pretty fast. And if it is burnt, then it will really reduce the taste of your food. So we just like it perfectly done. The next thing that we're going to be adding in our tomatoes. And as our tomatoes are going to be cooking, I'm going in to add my bell peppers. I like my food very colorful, so I added the green, the yellow, and the red together with the carrots. So we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes until the tomatoes have released all their juices. My veggies are done and my tomatoes have released the juices. So now I'm going in with the noodle spice. So I'm going in with the 2 of them, and then I will only add the chili powder. So that is okay. So we're going to stir this so that our veggies can absorb the spices. And remember, we also had cumin, so we are going in with our cumin. And remember the green peas. These green peas were pre-cooked. I just boiled them for about 6 minutes. Then I turned off the heat and drained the water. So we're going to give this a good stir. And my veggies are looking very colorful. Oh my! Can you see that? Look at how the red bell peppers are popping out. It is looking really, really delicious. And now on the part of salt, we're just going to be adding a pinch. Okay, so a pinch of salt. Remember, the noodle spice also have some salt, so the minute that you add a little bit more salt, then your food is going to be salty, and I'm sure you won't like it. So yum, yum. The aroma in my room is very interesting. I like it. And now finally I'm going in with my noodles, the one I had drained the water. And we are going to give this a perfect mix so that our veggies and our noodles are perfectly combined. Oh my, I'm loving the aroma. It's looking really colorful. The popping of the yellow, the green, the red. Oh, it's making this meal complete. I'm just going to cover this so that it can cook for about 3 minutes and it is ready to serve. So my noodles have been cooking for about 3 minutes now. Now it was the final 3 minutes and they are perfectly done. Finally, I'm going in with my coriander leaves. They just give that amazing taste that nothing can replace. So I'll always have my coriander leaves standby. Yeah, so just going to give this a quick stir. Oh my, the aroma in this place, I can tell you. Oh, nothing can beat this. My Indomie lovers, here you are. I didn't come to play because these noodles are going to make your family very excited. It's a very nice quick fix dinner or lunch. Anyone will fall in love with this. The ingredients are very simple. Come on, what are you waiting for? Grab the ingredients in the description box and let's make the noodles. Until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet, signing off right now. See you next time. Bye bye.